Hi everybody, I'm Grace here today. I'm going to teach you a fantastic topic, and also it is a beautiful technique which will improve your speaking skill. So today I have chosen a technique which is called to be star technique. If you want to become a star, you should learn this technique and practice it daily. So let me explain you the abbreviation of this star technique. So S stands for situation and T stands for task, A stands for action, and the last one R stands for result. So as I have listed the first one as situation. Situation means you can bring any imaginative situation or real incident. It could be your own imagination. So if you don't have any real life incident, you can go with your own thoughts, your own imagination. Okay, so here is my own imagination how to practice this star technique with me right now. So I will explain you how to do that. So I have taken a situation. So as the title says, situation. So I have chosen a beautiful situation as I was listening to a grammar class. Okay, I was in a classroom with my classmates. So as I was listening to the class, one of my classmates was unable to understand a concept. So she was grappling. To understand. She was grappling in a sense that she was struggling to understand the concept. So I could say it in another way. She was grappling with grammar concept. So this is the situation. So I need to have a task to be completed. After listening to the situation, I have to have my own task. How can I rectify this problem using this task? So I could bring a task. So what would be my task? As a friend or as a classmate, I wanted to help my classmate, one of my classmates. So I just my task is given. I should complete the task. I should explain the concept of a difficult grammar to my classmate. So this is the task which was given by my friend at the time. Okay, so I have given you a task also, right? So I think everything is obvious. And third thing, I have to show you an action. I should portray an action in front of you, what was happening there, what happened there, and how did I explain the meaning, how did I express my ideas about the concept which she was unable to grab. So this is called as action. So as the teacher was very curious to take class, I thought not to disturb her. So I just informed my teacher if I could come forward and explain the same concept which was not understood by my classmate, one of my classmates. So as she granted permission, I started to explain the same concept in a concise manner. So everyone understood the concept. Okay, so now here as a result, I brought forth the result. So what is the result? So as I was explaining everything in well manner, in concise manner, everyone understood, and also specifically one of my classmates understood the concept. Okay, so without disrupting the class, without disrupting the teacher. So we explained everything in a well manner and everyone started to get benefited by our explanation, by my explanation. So this is the result. So here you could just align the things what I have been talking about. I have been talking about a situation, and followed by this situation I have given a task to myself. It should be completed by me, and after completion of this task I should explain you how it happened. It should be an action. It should make you to feel the incident, and it should make you to get involved into the incident. So this is what I thought to say. Fine. And finally I brought forth the result that not only my classmate understood the concept, but also others, they got extra information about the topic, about the concerned topic. So I hope you have understood today's concept. And many people have been struggling to speak nowadays. They don't know how to build their confidence level. They don't have any words to express. Even here in this incident, I have used 2 new words. So whether you have understood or not, I'm not sure. But anyhow, if you have understood, list out those 2 words or think those 2 words in your mind. Okay, have you understood? Have you remembered the words? If you have remembered, please send your words on my comment section so I will check it. If not, I will tell you now. Anyhow, here I have used 2 words, disrupting. So disrupting in a sense, like without disturbing somebody, you shouldn't disturb the class, you shouldn't disturb the teacher. So I have used disrupting. So disrupting in a sense, so we should pronounce it in this way, disrupting. And also I have used one more word, grappling. So grappling in a sense that she was not able to understand. She was not able to understand. Even she was struggling to understand. This is the right meaning of it. So I have used 2 new words here in this conversation, in this narration. While I was narrating these topics, I used these 2 unknown words, and this is the way I have to develop my vocabulary. So it doesn't mean that you have to have only real incident. Some people, they always go the real incident. Sometimes it would be boring. But if you become very good director of your own movie, okay, even you can become a star of your own movie. You can act as a star. You can act as an actor. The movie which is going to be directed by you even. So it is happening everywhere. You could see many directors, they have become heroes. Yes or no? Yeah. So this is the way you can make your speaking level more challenging, and you can make yourself to think more. When you have only real life incident, you cannot become a very good speaker. It would be very tough to imagine. Okay, I know that very well. Imagination is really difficult, but you have to build your confidence level. You have to create a situation first. When you start creating a situation, you can easily think about a task. So how can I get a task to complete this problem? I mean, solve this issue. And you can elaborate the incident with different vocabularies and without affecting others, without disrupting others. And followed by this, you can bring the result to your imaginative story. So this is the way I tell all my students to increase their vocabulary, increase their confidence level, and they will be learning many things from my classes, online classes. So if you want to get benefited by my online classes, you can reach out to this WhatsApp number. So I have given on my screen. So please pick this number. You can reach out to my WhatsApp number and text. And we are going to conduct another new batch on 26th November, so which is very close to us. So if you want to join this course, you can reach out quickly, because nearly 60 members, they've got enrolled already. The actual fee of this course is 15,000 and the duration is 4 months. And if you want to join this course, you can pay just 3,000. Even Diwali offer has been extended. Still now, I haven't limited this offer. So it is unlimited. You can use this offer, grab it, and get benefited by our possible English classes. And if you have liked this concept, star technique, leave your comment and try to share this technique with everybody if they want to bring enrichment in their speaking level. And if you want to speak like foreigners, try to follow this video and try to pick a topic or a situation every day and speak constantly. Definitely you can also speak like me, and definitely you can gain your confidence and you will become a very good public speaker soon. All the best.